Hi, so today I'm going to review Logitech H111 headphone. So this is an headphone that is used for official purposes. As you can see, it has really small bezels and nothing else. Very minimalistic headphone. So the primary buying point for me for this is that it is a very minimalist headphone and you can keep it on your ear for a long time, and this has really good noise cancelling because the microphone is really good, so your sound will be a very crisp and sound. And there are two versions of this, that is H111 and another one is H110. So 110 is a two ported version and this one has only one port, so you can connect this with your laptop or any other devices like your phone. But if you buy the one port, that will have a microphone jack and a sound port, so you will have to connect that with your desktop or other things that have two ported system. So be careful with that. There are two versions, so this is one version and another version is that. Now I'm going to unbox this and show you how it looks like after unboxing. So let's unbox this. Tapes and tapes, a lot of tapes. Let's see what it is. It said here, in if you can see in the video, that it has stereo sound, re-rotating microphone, adjustable headphone, and yeah, these are all the features that are listed. Very minimal features, not something that you would like to be hyped about, but as this is for official use, this is okay. So yeah, I have unboxed it and look at this. So after unboxing, I got a package, a manual. I don't need that. And here is the headphone. You can put it out like this. So let's put it out and see what is there. Yeah, that was a very messy unboxing, but okay, it works. So here it is, finally the headphone, and as you can see, there is the I hoped it would be bigger because the bigger ones cancels noise better, but okay, I'll test the microphone and show you how it is. And there you go, it rotates like this, and there it is, Logi, and it has a very long wire. So as you can see, it has very long wire. Let me show you, but let's see if it is retracting. So yeah, it is retracting, and it is retracting. However big head you have, you can adjust it. Now one thing that needs to be noticed here is that it is not completely adjustable to your head. Like, it won't bother your head too much. Like, if you can see, there is a shape that is a straight line here. It is a straight line, and then it bends, and it then bends. It's not complete square, so that is why it won't hurt your head too much. So you can keep it a long time in your head and it would be great. So yeah, this is what it is. If you want to use for office, this is the perfect headphone for that. The wire of this headphone is very long, so let me show you how long it is. So here I'm opening it. So there it is, there it is, there it is. So if you want to check if it is gonna help you, there it is. So yeah, it is tangled, but yeah, it is really long. So let's throw it away and see how long it is. So yeah, it is very long. So yeah, there you go. So I can just fish with this, right? Now the audio that you're hearing is recorded from the Logitech H111. So this headphone is you can judge what is the quality of this headphone's microphone. I am using a smartphone to record the audio, so if you use something like Skype or Teams, they have better noise cancellation in software, so it will have better noise cancellation there. But this is how you will hear my voice or your voice through this headphone if you record it through a smartphone, or if you are talking to someone from phone. So this will hear, and as I said, this is very comfortable, and I'm wearing it, and I can tell you that it is, and I made the good purchase. I can keep it on my head for long, and I can watch video tutorials and gaming or movies with it without any problem. It has some noise cancellation problem because it won't block all the noises that coming from different sides, but it works, and I can keep it on my head like 2 or 4 hours, or even more than that, and it won't hurt my ears like other headphone does. So yeah, so there you go, your headphone. Let me know if you like this video, or give me a thumbs up, or just let me know in the comments what else do you want to know, because if you are watching this video after 3 months, I can give you a review after 3 months. So yeah, in the comments.